AI will not take your job. The person using AI will. In 2024, a single statement at a technology conference sparked a global conversation about the future of work. The words came from Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang. He said something that forced millions of people to rethink their future. AI will not take your job, but a person who knows how to use AI might. This was not just a bold comment. It was a warning about how work is about to change, because the world is entering a new technological era, an era where artificial intelligence is reshaping how humans work, create, and compete. If you enjoy videos like this, consider subscribing to the channel for more stories about AI and the future. Over the past few years, artificial intelligence has advanced at a speed rarely seen in human history. Just a few years ago, AI was mostly a research topic. Today, it is everywhere. People use AI to write emails, generate code, design images, analyze data, and even create videos. Businesses across the world are rapidly adopting AI tools. Companies are no longer asking whether they should use AI. They are asking how fast they can integrate it into their workflow. Because the companies that move faster will gain a massive advantage, and the employees who understand AI will become far more valuable. The company powering AI. At the center of this transformation is a company called Nvidia. Most people have never directly used Nvidia's products, but the modern AI revolution would not exist without them. Nvidia builds the GPUs that power advanced artificial intelligence systems. These chips are the engines behind many of the world's most powerful AI models. Companies like OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, and Amazon rely heavily on Nvidia hardware. These processors handle the enormous computations required to train and run AI systems. Some experts say data is the oil of the AI era, but without the computing power to process that data, AI cannot exist. And much of that power comes from Nvidia. That is why Jensen Huang's words carry so much weight in the technology world. Chu is Jensen Huang. Jensen Huang founded Nvidia in 1993. At the time, the company focused on graphics processing for computer games. Very few people imagined that GPUs would one day become the backbone of artificial intelligence. But Jensen Huang believed that accelerated computing would shape the future. For decades, Nvidia invested heavily in GPU technology. When artificial intelligence began to grow rapidly, Nvidia was ready. Today, the company sits at the heart of the AI revolution, and Jensen Huang has become one of the most influential voices in the future of technology. The fear of job loss as AI becomes more powerful, one question appears everywhere. Will AI take our jobs? It is a fear shared by workers across many industries. AI can now write reports, generate marketing copy, analyze financial data, create software, and design visual content. Tasks that once required hours of human effort can now be completed in minutes. This has created anxiety across the global workforce. But Jensen Huang believes the story is more complex. According to him, AI will not simply replace jobs, it will transform them. Technology has always changed work. History shows that every major technological shift changes the way people work. During the Industrial Revolution, machines replaced many forms of manual labor. Factories reshaped the global economy. During the Internet Revolution, entire industries were disrupted. Media, retail, and communication all changed dramatically. The smartphone revolution created completely new professions. App developers, digital marketers, content creators, and social media managers did not exist just a few decades ago. Each technological wave removed some jobs, but it also created new opportunities. Artificial intelligence may follow the same pattern. The new skill that will matter. According to Jensen Huang, one skill will become essential in the future: AI literacy, understanding how to work with artificial intelligence tools. In the future, Almost every profession may involve AI assistance. Writers will use AI to brainstorm and edit. Designers will use AI to generate visual ideas. Programmers will use AI to speed up development. Researchers will use AI to analyze massive data sets. AI will not replace human intelligence. Instead, it will amplify it. Those who learn how to use AI will become dramatically more productive. And productivity often determines value in the workplace. The workplace of the future. Jensen Huang describes a future where every worker has an AI assistant, just like every worker today has access to a computer. These AI systems will help people perform complex tasks faster. They will gather information, analyze patterns, and automate repetitive work. Humans will still guide decisions, but AI will handle many of the time-consuming processes. This collaboration between humans and machines could redefine productivity. Workers who embrace AI will gain a powerful advantage. The real competition. The future may not be a battle between humans and artificial intelligence. Instead, it may become a competition between two types of people: those who understand how to use AI and those who do not. Workers who integrate AI into their workflow will complete tasks faster and more efficiently. Over time, companies will naturally prefer employees who can leverage AI tools effectively. This is why Jensen Huang's message resonates around the world. The real risk is not AI itself. The real risk is falling behind while others learn to use it. Artificial intelligence is no longer a distant concept. It is already transforming industries. It is changing how businesses operate, and it is redefining the skills required to succeed. The question is no longer whether AI will influence the future of work. That transformation has already begun. The real question is whether individuals will adapt to it. Because in the future workplace, the biggest competition may not be humans versus machines. It may be humans competing against other humans who know how to use machines better. And perhaps that is exactly what Jensen Huang meant when he said, AI will not take your job. The person using AI will. If you enjoy exploring ideas about AI in the future, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.